Hello, this is Andy, WMSOhio.com. Today I'm going to show you a 1993 little Toyota pickup, 189,000 on the miles. Complete truck has been painted. Do-it-yourself spray can job is what it feels like and looks like. Multiple scratches, dings, dents throughout the entire vehicle. Both back bed sides, you can see there's a lot of putty in there. It's cracking, starting to fall apart there. Tires, this is probably your worst one. Probably call that 20 to 25%. And then on the front here, like new. So, non-matching tires. Truck does run and drive. Like a good little work truck, something to run around in the woods, firewood, hunting type vehicle. Multiple stains through the seats and the carpet. It is manual, windows and locks. Seat covers, there are stains and rips in the seats, and the rear seats are dirty. Again, 189,000 miles. Truck does run and drive. It's a 5-speed manual V6 truck. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email or give us a call. Again, this was Andy, WMSOhio.com, showing you a 93 little Toyota pickup.